Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to maximize your earnings on performance bonuses. As you all know, there are a lot of ways to make money on Facebook, which includes the in-stream ads, the live ads, the ads on Reels, the stars, and the performance bonus. Okay, so today I'm going to be focusing mainly on performance bonuses and how to make money on it. So we all know that when this tool is active on your page, you have the potential of making up to $30,000 on your page within a space of 1 month. Okay, so this is how performance bonuses work. It's Facebook that will invite you for performance bonus once they deem your page fit for the monetization tool. They will invite to send you an invitation and you will start earning on performances. Now let me explain what performances is. That's performance bonus tool is on Facebook. This tool is a tool that allows you earn with every reaction you get on your page, every comment, every engagement you get on your page. And these reactions must not come from your videos alone. It may come from your text, it may come from your photos, and it may also come from your videos. So every reaction, every engagement you get on your page, Facebook is going to pay you. Personally, aside in-stream ads, bonuses is one of the best form of monetization on Facebook. I know a lot of people that make up to $20, $30 on a particular post using performance bonuses. So this video will teach you how to maximize it, how to make use of it while it's active on your page, because this tool appears and it also goes. Okay, the first is that you need to be consistent on your page. Knowing that performance bonuses you can earn through reactions on everything you post on your page, you need to be consistent. Number two, you need to post more things that way. Make people to comment on your page, make people to share your content, make people to like your videos and the rest. You need to post things that will drive engagement, things that will trigger your fans to react to your content, and through this you will be paid. Number three is don't post only videos. Most people think that because I am earning on performance bonuses, I should just focus on videos. No, you can post an image, you can post text, and any form of posting that you can come up with, just post. As far as it follows Facebook policy, post it, and you can be able to earn up to 30,000 according to the engagement you get in dollars. Okay, so this is the easiest way for you to make money through your performance monetization tool. All right, don't restrict yourself. Once this tool is active on your page, keep posting, milk it while you can. Milk it before the span of 1 month expires. At least if you don't make up to $30,000, you will make an appreciable sum of money for yourself. All right, so don't restrict yourself. Post more and you earn more through performance bonuses. Till I call your way next time, I remain Justice Chibuike. Please follow me on this page and subscribe to this channel for more updates like this. Till I call your way next time, keep creating.